The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam tells us that every morning, every day, every morning, all the limbs in the human body, the hands, the fingers, the toes, the body, every morning they all plead to the tongue, the lisan. Say, please don't say anything wrong today. Oh, for Allah's sake, I could jut not kaho, gibat mat karo. Every day, every morning, all the limbs of the human body pleads to the tongue and says, don't bad talk nobody. Don't slander nobody. Don't. You know why? Because by this tongue, saying wrong things, backbiting people, slandering people, defaming people, this entire body will go to hell for it. So all the limbs beg this tongue, don't do that. And that's what all of us do today.